Hi everyone. We're all enjoying the monsoon these days. While it's the right time to have a cup of adrak wali chai and some hot pakoras, these rains also invite some skin infections. So let's talk about one of the most common infections we see nowadays, that's a fungal infection. The fungal infection, or the ringworm as it is commonly called, it's because of the excessive sweating and moisture because of the humid weather that causes these infections. As the name suggests, the ringworm appears as red, itchy rings on the skin, especially over the body folds such as the groin areas where it is called the jock itch. It can appear on the underarms, in the breast area. It can even appear in between the toes where it is called as athlete's foot. Fungal infections are becoming a menace in the last couple of years, and this is because the fungus has become very resistant to very commonly used medications, and also now we are seeing a lot of family members getting infected from one another. So let's talk about some tips to prevent and to treat these fungal infections. First of all, one must wear loose cotton clothes. We should avoid wearing jeans and tights, especially those garments which are made up of synthetic fabric. Shower twice a day with a good antiseptic soap. Dry your body areas well after a shower with a clean towel, especially the folds which tend to accumulate moisture and become macerated. After a shower, apply a thin film of any vegetable oil such as coconut oil or mustard oil, as oil helps to prevent maceration of the skin that can occur because of sweating. Wash your clothes every day. Use an antiseptic or a detergent while washing the clothes. Preferably dry them in the sunlight. Wash your undergarments, change them twice a day. You can even iron the undergarments so as to completely eliminate any moisture that can be there in the clothes. Wash your socks, change your socks daily. If possible, put out your shoes in the sunlight every couple of days, as this can help to dry the shoes from inside where the sweating and moisture tends to get accumulated. Do not share your soap, clothes, towel with any family members. Dry your towel every day out in the sunlight. Sharing of clothes can transfer these infections from one person to another, as it's a contagious disease. Do not buy any over-the-counter cream. Do not use them such as the Ring Guard, Itch Guard. Also, do not buy creams directly from the chemist shop, as these may contain steroids. Now, steroids make the fungus penetrate deeper into the layers of the skin. It makes the disease resistant to treatment. It can thin out the skin, it macerates the skin, and also can cause stretch marks to appear on the affected areas. Always consult your dermatologist, who will examine you and prescribe an oral antifungal in the right dose and for the right duration. It's very important to complete this course of medication and to not leave it intermittently, because taking incomplete courses can cause frequent relapses. It is also very important to treat all the family members who are involved in order to eradicate the disease completely from the family. Also, avoid self-medicating with oral medications, especially oral antifungals, because they do cause some side effects on our body. So in this way, by taking due precautions, wearing the right kind of clothes, taking the right kind of medications from your dermatologist, completing the prescribed course of medication, we can treat this disease very effectively and also prevent frequent relapses. Thank you.